Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view layers in Canva. Let's begin. In Canva, while there isn't a traditional layers panel like tools such as Adobe Photoshop, you can still manage and organize layers by controlling the arrangement and positioning of elements in your design. So, once you're logged into your account, for example, I'm working with this specific design. You see, I have a lot of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you right click on each element, you'd notice that this is one layer. Okay. One layer. See the layer, you can send backward, you can send to back. Of course, you can bring to front if you wanted. But for you to be able to view the layer section, all you're going to do is click the position. There's going to be a arrange tab and the layers tab. Now in the layers tab, you see this is going to be all the layers that is currently in your design. You have the overlapping, which is going to be this, and the white background. If you wanted to, you can move the layers freely. For example, this on top, gonna be on top. You see that the first text layer has been gone, right? If you want it to be visible, all you're gonna do is hover it down here so it can be noticed. You see, you can drag all the elements here as you move along. All right, now again, if the elements are overlapping and you want to see what's underneath, adjust the transparency of the top layers. For example, this one, you can adjust the transparency to make the underlying elements visible. All right. Now, if you're working with many layers and want to prevent some elements from accidentally move, you can lock these elements by clicking this option right here that says lock. You can do this to all elements here. So that is very helpful if you are working with multiple collaborators or with your client, with your team members. So one of them would not accidentally delete or edit some of the elements once you are seeing all of the layers inside it. Okay, so once you are happy with this design, if you click on the play button to just check if the elements or the layers blends perfectly well. Now, as you can see, these techniques allows you to organize the stacking of order of layers within your design. Once you are happy with that, all you're going to do is click on share. You have the option to click on download as PNG, JPEG, PDF print, or even an MP4 or GIF. If you want to share this again, this specific design to your client or to your team member, click on the copy link right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.